Word power. Illuminate. Mastering English with example sentences. The street lights illuminate the road.
Streetlights provide light, making the road visible and safer to navigate, illustrating the light-up aspect of illuminate.
The streetlights illuminate the road.
The professor's explanations illuminate the topic.
The professor's explanations make the topic clearer and easier to understand, highlighting the clarify aspect of illuminate.
The professor's explanations illuminate the topic.
The candles illuminate the room.
The candles emit light, brightening the room and dispelling darkness, exemplifying the light-up aspect of illuminate.
The candles illuminate the room.
Reading books can illuminate the mind.
Reading books can provide knowledge and insights, enlightening the mind and expanding one's understanding, demonstrating the enlightened aspect of illuminate.
Reading books can illuminate the mind.
The documentary will illuminate historical events.
The documentary will shed light on historical events, providing clarity and understanding, emphasizing the clarify aspect of illuminate.
The documentary will illuminate historical events.
Stars illuminate the night sky.
Stars emit light, brightening the night sky and creating a beautiful spectacle, showcasing the light-up aspect of illuminate.
Stars illuminate the night sky.
Discussion can illuminate different perspectives.
Engaging in discussion can bring forth various viewpoints and insights, enlightening participants and expanding their understanding, exemplifying the enlightened aspect of illuminate.
Discussion can illuminate different perspectives.
Now that you've learned about the word illuminate and its various meanings, I encourage you to practice using it in your own sentences. Whether you're describing how a light illuminates a room or how discussions can illuminate different perspectives, incorporating illuminate into your vocabulary will enrich your English skills. Keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary to enhance your language proficiency. Thank you for watching and engaging with our educational content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips and tutorials. Together, let's continue our journey towards mastering the English language. Until next time, happy learning!